In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a test suite with CodiumAI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to point CodiumAI at a specific part of your code and let it propose a thoughtful set of tests that cover common scenarios and tricky edge cases. Start by opening your code file in your IDE and navigating to the function or class you want to test. Pick a unit that has a clear public interface, like a method that returns a value or a class with well-defined behavior. It helps to choose something representative of the logic you care about, rather than a tiny helper that's only used internally. Make sure your file is saved and free of obvious syntax errors, because CodiumAI's analysis works best when the code is in a good compilable state. If your function depends on other modules, that's fine. Just ensure the imports or references are valid so the tool can understand the context. Next, locate the CodiumAI control for generating tests. In many IDEs, you'll see a Generate Tests button or a CodiumAI icon appear just above your function or class definition, often in the editor's code lens or gutter area. If you don't immediately see it, hover near the declaration line or place your cursor on the symbol. The button typically appears in context. Alternatively, you can right-click the relevant code snippet and choose the Generate Tests option from the menu. If your project is large, focusing the cursor on the specific function helps CodiumAI target its suggestions to exactly what you want. Now click the button. CodiumAI will analyze the code's structure and behavior to infer how it's intended to be used. This includes identifying happy paths where everything works as expected, as well as edge cases like boundary values, empty or null inputs, invalid parameters, and error handling branches. Give it a moment to process. Complex functions may take a bit longer. When it's done, a new panel or tab opens with suggested test cases tailored to the code you selected. You'll typically see test names, short descriptions of what each test is validating, and the kinds of inputs or conditions they target. This view is designed to be readable so you can quickly understand the coverage, what's tested under normal conditions, what's tested at the edges, and how failures are anticipated. That's the core workflow. Open the file and choose your target. Find the CodiumAI Generate Tests control and click it to review the proposed test suite. Use these suggestions as a clear, structured starting point to ensure your most important code paths and those sneaky edge cases are accounted for.